Today will be our last purchase of our £2,000 challenge. As most of you guys already know, our challenge is to turn £2,000 into £100,000 by the end of this bull run. Welcome guys, my name is KD, also known as Crypto Hustler. In today's video, we are going to be making our final purchase of our £2,000 challenge. As most of you guys already know, our challenge is to turn £2,000 into £100,000 by the end of this bull run. We started this challenge back in October. We started off with a £200 investment. We divided it over 5 coins at £40 per coin. The coins that we did choose at the time were Algorand, Decentraland, Engine Coin, Filecoin and Scalecoin. We have been dividing £100 per week over the same 5 coins over the last 19 to 20 weeks. Today will be our final purchase. So we are going to divide another £100 over the same 5 coins, which will take our total investment up to £2,000. At the end of our last video, we had invested £1,900 in total, and our current balance at the moment is £2,294. So I'm going to go in and make the purchases for this week. Again, we are going to divide £100 over the same 5 coins, £20 per coin, and we'll see where we stand at the end of it. So guys, you can see we have now invested another £100, taking our total up to £2,000, which is obviously our final purchase, and our current balance is sitting at £2,385. A profit of £385 and a return on investment of about 19%. So when we made this challenge, we did say we want to make it as easy as possible with minimal workload and minimal effort. So over the last 20 weeks, all we've done is make one purchase per week of £100 divided over 5 coins. At the moment, our total investment is £2,000. So all our money is in, and the next step now is to simply just wait. I'm going to wait until the market picks up again and wait for our balance to get to 10,000, maybe 20,000 before we start making any changes. There might be circumstances where one of the coins performs really well and we decide to sell that and buy it back in a little bit later. More than likely, we will be selling most of the coins together towards the end of this year and repositioning for the next phase of the bull run. So guys, the point of this challenge was to show you guys that if you get into the market early enough, it doesn't really matter what coins you pick. Most coins are going to perform really well, and if you're early enough, you can make a significant balance before you actually get to the actual bull run when everything starts going wild. So at the moment, we have invested £2,000. I will be looking to reposition possibly January of next year. By then, I'm hoping our £2,000 could be at 10,000, 20,000 and beyond. If it gets to 10,000 by next January, it means we'd only need to get another 10x to get to our 100,000. If, for example, it got to 20,000, we're only a 5x away. But regardless, either way, we are going to make this work, and I am going to show you how to flip £2,000 into £100,000 by the end of this bull run. So guys, if you want to keep up to date with what we're doing and where our balance stands, obviously we're not making any more purchases for this challenge, but we will be showing you other coins that we're buying or other investments that we are making. Please do like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, catch you next week.